What's the meaning of cheerio? Cheerio. Cheerio.
Cheerio. Cheerio. Cheerio is an informal British expression often used as a farewell or goodbye. It can also be used to express good wishes, positivity, and friendliness. The word is thought to have originated in the 1920s and has since become a popular part of British culture. It is often associated with the image of an English gentleman tipping his hat and saying cheerio before departing. Overall, it is a friendly and upbeat expression that conveys well wishes and positive intentions.